This woman's husband snored a lot, and she couldn't sleep because of the snoring. When she hits his face, the snoring stops, but after 5 minutes he starts snoring again and she is fed up. So she bought such a product. It's called a silent bed product, and it completely stops her husband from snoring. When the man starts snoring, this device detects the sound and works immediately. The mallet hits the man in the face, and he no longer snores until the morning. The woman can sleep comfortably. If your husband snores too, you can buy this product.
이금지